Everyone, Lance Ippolito here. Before I head offshore to go fishing, you can see I'm already decked out, my bandana, my shirt. I want to go over reading institutional order flow in the options market, tape reading, filtering out what orders work, what orders don't work, and the hundreds of thousands orders that hit a day. So to your left, what you're watching is an institutional order flow scanner, and it produces literally tens of thousands of signals a day. So how do I filter, all those orders into actionable trade ideas? This is through a process of years of experience, years of looking at the tape, hiring programmers to filter out specifically to the stocks that I want, eliminating spreads, eliminating closing positions, mid-market orders. I want aggressive option flow, calls, puts, bought on the ask in stocks that I have experience in trading. So let's take a look here at VRAY. The ticker symbol is VRAY. And this stock, well, it tanked. It fell from 7 to $3 a share 2 days ago. So let me pull up order history here just to show you. I'll do it 4 days back of VRAY because I want to show you how powerful this information is. So on Thursday, August 8th, so 4 days ago, with the stock at $6.71. So right in here, 671. Let's draw a little circle on it. Get it right in here. So 671, VRAY. A trader came in. Now I don't know who the trader is. If it's Carl Icahn, Billy Ackman, maybe Buffett. Ooh, maybe Warren himself. But a trader came in, and let me pause this data because you are seeing real time. A trader came in and bought 10,000 of the August 6 puts. I believe they paid 60 cents. So they're putting down $600,000 of option premium. If VRAY went up, because they did have earnings, they would lose that $600,000. If it went below $6, they paid 60 cents, so 540. Those options, those put options, where they're betting that the stock goes down, start to make money. So what happened? They put it on 8/8. The next day, stock fell to $2.76. Let's just say $3. So those puts that they bought for 60 cents are now worth $3. So let's do the math. They turned $600,000 of risk of option premium to $3 million overnight. That's a trade. That's a vacation. That's a career right there. Now, if I came in, or if a trader came in, and let's say you bought a 10 lot, so $600 of risk, you just turned $600 into $3,000 overnight. That's the power of option flow. Now, how do I know the trade's going to work? I don't. I don't have inside information. I don't have access to the best research in the world. I don't know management in that company, but someone did, and someone made a boatload of money on it. So let's look at another trade here, because that was quite the move, right? And what's even crazier, actually 2 days ago, watch this. This is how you know they're good. They were selling. They started to sell actually puts and buy September calls when the stock literally was around 280, and now the stock's at 345. So they caught the downside move. They sold puts. Basically, they're drawing a line in the sand when the stock was down that it will no longer go lower, and they bought call options now playing for a bounce higher, and the stock's already bounced about 60 cents higher, or about what is that, about 20% higher already from the lows. So this is just one order, one example of institutional option flow in the market. I can also look here and we can pull up some data in real time, and I want to go over how to teach you how to do this. And even if you don't have access to an institutional order flow scanner, I'm going to show you how you can log on to your TD Ameritrade, your Schwab, whatever platform you use, and you can still filter out option data via time and sales and filter out some of these orders to use to your advantage. Again, there's hundreds of thousands of options, just orders that hit the day. If you can single that out like I did to, let's say, 50 to 100 names, or names that you are just comfortable with trading, It will be, and I don't want to say a crutch, because I don't want you to get dependent on the option flow, but it will be such a confidence booster, such an advantage to your trading that you are just going to have a very simple, stress free trading experience if you get comfortable and you use options to your advantage, and not only to use the leverage to your advantage, but just to see what the big players are buying. Like, for example, let's say you trade AMD a lot. Pull up the option flow in AMD. Are they doing anything crazy in AMD today? No. AMD trades a boatload of options a day. But today in AMD, let's look at it. Stock's doing nothing. It's up down 13 cents. Why would anyone get frisky trading AMD? Now, I'll tell you one thing. AMD a few days ago, before it was from 28 to 35. Oh, let me tell you what they were doing a few days ago, because I was trading this. They were buying a boatload, and I mean a boatload of August calls. Here, we can pull it up here. Look at this. They're buying the 29 calls, the 33 and a half calls, the 34 calls, and AMD, guess what? Shares rallied about 15%. Actually, I think it went even higher. It went from 28 to 35. Option flow, we're going to get to learning it, reading it. You're going to use it. You're going to make a boatload of money. Lance Ippolito with Future Wealth. I'm out of here.